Here's my 1970 TransAm restomod. And little news, they got the back glass in and the nice black trim. A few touch-ups needed. They took delivery of the new hinges to keep the doors from squeaking and drooping. So those are going in next Monday. And also the front glass is in. I went with a no tint on any glass. So, and you may be able to tell from the reflection that it's glass and the blue tape, but yeah, it's brand new glass in. And nice black powder coat trim. Ah, here's the sticker on the glass. And they took out the console because they are making a lot of the buttons on the 2017 console functional, such as traction control and also e-brake. Electric e-brake will be functional in the console. A lot more wiring being done. That's hard to see. The remaining pieces of the console, I was able to find them in Australia, of all places, and got them shipped in, and it will fill in the brackets and filler around the shifter, also a boot for the shifter, and some nice chrome trim that comes up to the dash. And what the plans are is when the console is all built and the trim stuff is installed, is they're going to do a 3D scan of the console assembly while it's out of the car, and then figure out what they can build as a filler between the console up to the dash to make it look good. So, and I think this is the insides of the console. AC ducts. The AC will be functional on this thing, even though there will be no rear passengers. Here's the rear AC ducts on the console. Here is some bonus material, nice old Chevy.